Now, okay, this is not traditional way of teaching, but okay, this is what I remember. Okay, this is a boyfriend. The boyfriend is going to the girlfriend and saying, "Hey, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have liked that pic, whatnot." And as a apology, he got her a MacBook, right? Now, how is this related to anything we're talking about, right? So here it is. So boyfriend apologized and bought MacBook. Boyfriend is blebbing of the membrane. B, blebbing of the membrane. Friend is fragmentation of the DNA. So boyfriend, blebbing, fragmentation of DNA. Apologized, meaning apoptotic bodies. Okay. So blebbing of the membrane, fragmentation of the DNA, apoptotic bodies, and MacBook, because macrophages come and eat the apoptotic bodies. Okay. Yeah. You like it? This took a lot of time. All right. So any questions? Do you get it? Now, if I show you the image of how it happens, it will make so much sense to you. So this is the normal cell. It goes to blebbing, boyfriend, blebbing. So you can see it becomes like this. It shrinks like this. So this is called blebbing. Okay. Then there is boyfriend, fragmentation of the parts which are there. So blebbing, fragmentation. Then what was it? Boyfriend. What was the next step? Sorry?
Was it fragmentation of DNA?
Yeah, that's boyfriend. So B is blebbing, fragmentation.
Apologizing.
Apologizing, exactly. See, he remembers the apologize, not the apoptotic bodies, but remembers. You guys are into teen drama. Okay, so apologizes, which is apoptotic bodies, right? And then what happens?
And bought MacBook.
MacBook, exactly. So macrophages, the cells called macrophages come in and eat those cells alive, right? See, you guys know, oh, MacBook, it's good. You guys are into teen drama.
5 minutes later.
So apoptosis is essentially cell suicide. It is an orderly way for cells to die. It causes no inflammatory response. The process is kind of shortened down by the whole allegory of boyfriend apologized and bought MacBook. B standing for the blebbing of the membrane. F being the fragmentation of DNA. Apologized stands for apoptotic bodies, which are then consumed by the macrophages.
Where else would you learn like this? Okay, perfect. Remove half of the population, right, across the universe by snapping his fingers. He needs these infinity stones. Once he gets all of them, if he snaps his finger, half the universe is gonna die, right? That's the basic premise. Now, how is Thanos gonna help us remember this? Extrinsic pathway. Thanos is an alien. He came from outside the world, outside the universe, whatever, outside the earth. Extrinsic pathway, outside. So he's Thanos. He's coming from outside. He needs these ligands, which are these stones, these ligands, which are binding to the receptor, which is his gauntlet, right? It's binding to the receptor. Once he gets the receptors and the stones attached or the ligands attached to the receptors, he will form a death domain, which is his glove, a death domain. Then the signal is him snapping. When he snaps, half the universe dies, apoptosis. So he snaps, which is the death-inducing signal, right? He snaps, death-inducing signal, and caspase is activated and is dead. Now, how do I remember which caspase is being activated over here? I just remember 8 to 10 when I was young. My mom used to tell me, be home between 8 and 10. Fast tram on a trail. A fast tram on a trail. So fast is FAS. FAS, this is the first one, FAS. Okay, T is TNF. So fast is FAS and TNF. TNF is tumor necrosis factor. The other ones, you don't need to know the full form, but this one, just remember it's tumor necrosis factor, TNF. Okay, so the first one, FAS. Second one, TNF. Third one, tramp. So tram. So this is a fast tram on a trail. Trail is TRAIL. Trail R1, trail road 1, trail 2, trail 1, trail 2. So a fast tram on a trail 1, trail 2. FAS, TNF, tramp, trail, trail 1, trail 2. And you know all the receptors. You know all the receptors and all the ligands, because the ligands and receptors are appropriate. You like it? Now, cytochrome C. How do we remember cytochrome C? APAF, procaspase, oh my God, so much. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna think of, I don't know what's her name, I forgot, Blossom, whatnot. Okay. So this is APAF, a power puff girl, APAF, right? APAF comes in and says, you know, their dad was professor. So APAF comes in and a Powerpuff Girl comes and activates the professor, which is the procaspase. So APAF, procaspase. APAF, procaspase. Procaspase becomes caspase, caspase, you know.
And for rest of the students, if you wish to register, please get in touch with me, or you can just respond to us on the email admissions@ganberry.com, and on Monday we will get back to you. So make the most of it, and if you have any questions before registration, just get in touch with me.